Hi guys, good morning. Just wanted to show you SPY chart of today. What I'm looking at here is it made a high of around 201 and came down, made a low of about 247, right? But if I'm look at the daily chart. I was looking at the 3-minute. Look at the daily chart here. The daily chart, the ATR average true range is about, if you look at this corner right here, the average true range is about 1.11, 1.4, 1.5, so roughly actually above 1.5, right? What that means is that SPY tends to averagely move about 1.5 to $2 a move per day. It could be basically, it could come down $2 or it could go up $2. It doesn't mean, but all what I'm saying is it tends to move in a fluctuation of 1.5 to 2 points per day. Okay, so now I'm looking at 3-minute, right? So 3-minute, this is supposedly the first hour is the most volatile hour of the market, right? So if you look at this range right here, so we're basically, let me just draw some just gonna draw a little bit of uh, tool right there. Okay, so kind of like, somewhat of a, triangle might have a breakout here. Let's see, but we're looking at this range right here, which is this right here. So we've been in a range from 200 to basically excuse me, to 248 to 201, 50 cents range. I mean, this is not volatility. You don't call it. Look at the volume down there. This is not the time you want to initiate any trades. And to be honest, I took 3 trades and 2 were stopped out and 1 was a good winner. But this is not the time you wanna start initiating trades. People probably came from vacation, they're not trading enough, or some are still out. So being this a 4-day weekend, you wanna find the setups that actually work. Okay, find the setups that have a lot of volume, that have a lot of volatility in them. But when you're looking at, when you're correlating your stocks with the SPY, and if the SPY is doing this is something you want to stay away from. I mean, I wanted to do something like this, or something like, so if it goes just like it came down, wanted to go up, either break the range of the day, or either to the upside or the downside. I mean, I'll show you a stock that's interesting, right? Local, right? So there's some problem with the thinkorswim going on today, and kind of getting fed up at time to time, because it's just slows down the trading and slows down a lot of my trades. So anyways, okay, so let's look at a local, right? Daily. So I'm just giving you an example of a opposite of SPY, right? SPY is the ATR on the SPY is 1.5 to 2. The ATR of this about 1.87, right? Which means it moves or fluctuates about, but actually more than 1.8. It's actually from 3 to 1.8. But look around here. It already moved 1.57. This is the stock you want to be in, right? So if you look at the 3-minute, perfect, nice uptrend you had, and it's not basing. So if you were to let's just say take some kind of a breakout trade right there, right there. So that breakout trade worked, right? Again, I'm not a big of a breakout trade, but they work. They, when you see the right factors, all the clues being glued into a big puzzle, it's okay to take the breakout. But anyways, but this is what I want to show you. Look at how it's moving. This is what you want a stock to move. You don't want it to just go sideways and just be a dud, right? So you want it to see something like this, then move out, base and move out, or either go up, go down, or go up. But with the SPYs, it was just not making sense. So try to find the stocks that are stronger than SPY, if you want to go long, or weaker than SPY if you want to go short. But always remember that if you're looking at something like local, this is a very high risk trade. You need to have your stops really tight. You need to have your targets predetermined before you take the trade. And I wouldn't recommend this for somebody if you are sorry. uh, if you want to be if you're a beginner or a novice, even intermediate, I would recommend this for only advanced people and people who are basically taking these kind of trades. They know what they're doing. Okay, well, I would say most of what they're doing, and you gotta follow your stops with these kind of stops. Okay, stocks. Okay, and if you want to stick with something really conservative, would move slow, but gives you good enough risk reward. There are a lot of stocks out there. Okay, so anyways, just wanted to show you the comparison about this the SPY, the forced hour, how volatile it needs to be for us to trade, and if it's not, it's probably better to sit out. So I'm just gonna sit out, and I actually I did work on my trading plan webinar, which is coming out very soon in about a week or so. I'm still deciding on the exact date and the time. Got a few emails, so I'll have enough members to definitely enough members to continue this webinar. So if you haven't signed up, email me, um, or I put a link on the StockTwits or Twitter. Go on there and check it out, and it'll be coming out very soon. Okay, guys, take care. Bye.